Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your hardware and getting the console up to date. First, verify whether your controller or accessory uses Bluetooth versus Xbox wireless. Once done, go to Settings and install any pending system updates so pairing features are current. Next, power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button for 6 seconds, then press again to wake it. These steps reduce connection conflicts and make the actual pairing faster and more reliable. Now you'll move into the pairing flow. From Settings, select Devices and Connections, then choose Accessories or Bluetooth devices depending on your Xbox interface. Once there, select Add or Pair to open scanning mode. Put your headset, controller, or adapter into its pairing state by holding its pairing button until the LED flashes. Watch the Xbox scan list and select the device name once it appears. Make sure distance is under 3 meters and no other device is actively paired to avoid interference. Finish by confirming the connection and testing functionality immediately. Check audio levels and button responses in Accessories or Ease of Access. If pairing fails, unpair any listed devices, restart the Xbox, and try again. This clears stale connections. Make sure the accessory firmware is current and batteries are charged. Some headsets require manufacturer apps or dongles. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears during scanning, move other wireless devices away and retry, because Bluetooth can be disrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.